So today is finally the day. Yes, Vision Pro, I got the notification, all right? So we're gonna go pick it up. I got the glasses. Y'all know I can't go nowhere without these glasses, you feel me? So I'm gonna be doing as much recording inside of the store as much as I can. If not, we're gonna get back in the car. I'm gonna show you how big this box is. Pause.
What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'?
All right, I'm back in the car and I got it. I got the case. All right, that's not what you're here for. I know, I got the case. However, this is a really impressive case that we probably got to talk about another time on another day, but you're not here for that. I got the Vision Pro, but I think it is too big. Pause. I think it's too big to show you right now, because look at this. It takes up, this is, you feel me? It's heavy. So let's get back to the crib. Plus we gotta get Don Cuddles because you see he's missing. But let's get back to the crib. Let's see what this is all about. I'm excited to show you because the demo that they showed me, I couldn't take a video. They wouldn't let me video in there for some reason, but I couldn't take a video of me actually doing the demo, but I got a few pictures inside of the Apple store and that whole nine and kind of just the reveal of it. So I'll show that. I'll give it to Isaiah so he can show that. But let's get home. All right, I'm back home. You see this? This is crazy. All right, this is crazy. Now, am I gonna be doing the unboxing of it? No. You have so many other people, tech reviewers, shout out to all of them. I'm not that, right? What I'm going to do is show you just my experience with it. If I like it, if it is worth the 3,400, blah, 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 whatever, right? I'm gonna share that, but also from a content creator, a person who loves to create content and things like that. I'm gonna show you that part. I'm gonna show you what I'm going to be actually doing. They do have screen recording, so we're gonna be getting inside of the actual thing, so you just don't see me, oh, look at these, look at these. Not doing that. So let's get right to that. Clearly we're not doing it like this.
When you're ready, hold Apple Vision Pro at eye level. Keep your arms and shoulders relaxed. Align your entire face within the frame. Slowly turn your head to the right. Now slowly turn your head to the left. Now, tilt your head up. Then, tilt your head down. Next, let's capture your facial expressions. Smile with your mouth closed. Adjust your head by tilting it slightly down. Then make a big smile with your teeth showing. Now, raise your eyebrows. Close your eyes for a moment. Capture complete.
All right.
Put Vision Pro back on to continue.
Now we should get it. Now we should get it. That's not bad. I ain't mad at this. I ain't mad at this. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm not mad at this. It doesn't get it all the way right, but I ain't mad at this. So, how we, ooh, no, we don't contour. Come on, I like studio, we good. No, we're good. I don't want to do that. Hell no. I don't like none of the eyewear. Boom. I think we're good. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? This is Nikki. Shout out to everybody who's watching this replay. Hashtag replay squad, hashtag replay gang. How's everybody doing? How's everybody feeling? I am trying out this Vision Pro, right? I'm gonna see how hard this thing is, pause. First and foremost, the original strap that comes with it, pause. Don't use that. Don't use that. Okay, that thing is heavy. That thing is heavy. Okay, so they make you do a demo, right? They make you do a demo at the store, and they give you like the original kind of setup that we've been seeing. And when I tell you that thing is heavy, it was like really cool, but then I was like, okay, this is really crazy. All right. So I got the power on, comes with a little battery pack. I do not know how much life this thing has, but this is the battery pack. Of course, it has the power and all that great stuff. So you're gonna see how crazy this looks first and foremost, right? So if it disconnects, because I gotta connect it with my phone, I apologize, I'll come right back, I promise you. But I do like that it has pictures with these instructions. You know what I mean? It has pictures. So I gotta hit the digital crown, and then it connects with my iPhone and all that great stuff. So if it pauses, bear with me. Ooh. If it pauses, bear with me. We're gonna try this out. So, see? Boom. Oh, I gotta take, ta-da! Gotta try this out. Boom. See how this goes. So I think I gotta press this button. This is actually me seeing, I can see everything inside, like my desk. I'm not fully immersed just yet, right? And I can see all the apps that we always see on all the videos and that whole nine. But what's really cool is that if I don't want to see any of this, I could just go like this. And now I'm fully immersed in Yosemite, which is amazing. And let's just say I don't want to necessarily be here. I can pick another environment, right? So maybe I want to go over here. Or maybe I want to go to, this is amazing, right? Now, you don't want to see my desk. You want to see these skies. So we're going to stay here, right? Now, there's two ways that I can get into the main menu of the apps. So I can press the crown and I go right here, go into the apps. This is all my apps, right? Now on the side, we got apps, we got people. And so this is who I can FaceTime, call them up real quick, things like that. And then we have the environments that you were seeing. So what's really cool about this is the compatible apps as well as what is happening here. One app that was very surprising was Keynote, right? So Keynote fully immerses you into like presenting. So let me explain what I mean by that. So if I pick Keynote and I pick the slide deck, I'm gonna pick some of the old ones that I used to have. And everything is controlled by my eyes. So if I wanted to rehearse this particular one, I could do either in a conference room or a theater. So let's say I have a theater. It's gonna warn me real quick, and then it's gonna take me into the theater, which is amazing. And literally, I don't know if you can see it, it has the slides behind me, like if I am presenting to all these, and then I could change my slides right then and there. And so just for practicing what I'm about to present, I believe this is great. So this is for those people who use Keynote, use slides, that whole nine. You could practice not only in a big theater and have your slides behind and that whole nine, but you can also do it in a conference room, which is really cool. So now you get the same feel. You get to practice your slides. I thought that was really fire, right? All right, enough fanning out. I fanned out for a bit, I did. But let's get to the real conversation. So the honest opinion, is this for everybody? No. Clearly not with the price tag. Is it for everybody? I really enjoy it for the simple fact that I appreciate Gen 1 products, okay? And not everybody's going to. Some people with a price tag like that is expecting it to be the final thing. Like it has to have everything right. It has to have the killer app. It has to have everything. But Gen 1 is never perfect. Gen 1 is really the idea turned into life. Like there's a process to it. Let's talk about the pros of it, right? The pros is that the audio is amazing. The picture is amazing, right? The meditation on that thing is superb. I truly enjoy that. I love how they create these apps like Zoom and FaceTime that they know they're going to have people in there. Let's make it to where you can still do your job. They'll have all the productivity situations still in there. So I do like that. They expect people to use it for a very long time. But there are some cons to it. No, it doesn't suck, but there's some things that it can be improved. The one thing that everybody talks about is that there is not a killer app. There's not an app that makes you go, oh my God, this is it. This is why I bought it. This is worth every single penny. There's not something that makes it say this is worth every single penny yet. There's a lot of potential. There's probably going to be an app that makes sense, right? There's going to be something that says, oh my God, this is worth it. But there's not that just yet, right? I don't appreciate how the battery always has to be hooked up. Like, there's not a direct way to charge your Vision Pro. Like, you have to have the big battery pack, then you have to put the USB in there, and it's just like, give me the USB to the headset, or let me just get the charger pack to the headset. It seems like a lot of things. I'm not a fan of it. Another con that I'm not a big fan is the language that they said. From certain articles, I read that there was going to be hundreds and hundreds of apps that works clearly with the Vision Pro. And what I'm thinking is that it's fully immersive. Like, I could touch it here and put it over here and just give that full experience, and it wasn't ended up that way. What ended up to be is that they allowed a lot of iPad version apps to work inside of Vision Pro. You lied. I didn't appreciate that, but I see what you're trying to do, right? Of course, Netflix, YouTube, some of the major streaming ones do not have native apps in there. And this is where MetaQuest actually beats that, because with MetaQuest, when you go into Netflix, you're like in a crib or a log cabin, the lights turn down. It's a full-blown experience. The difference between MetaQuest and Vision Pro, right? Now, I had the Quest 2. I didn't have the Quest 3, so I'm not going to speak on the Quest 3. However, the weight is different, right? What was surprising about the Vision Pro, it's not that heavy. It's not as heavy as I thought. Now, granted, it's not the greatest, but it's not as heavy as I thought. As long as you wear the 2 bands, you should be good, right? But the Quest was so heavy. It was like heavy in the front. It caused a lot of neck issues. I'm not a fan of it. And the major difference that I see with the Quest 2, now the Quest 3 I do see is mixed reality, but with the Quest 2, right, it was fully immersive. And so when you took it off, it was like you're back in reality. And like, it was kind of a shocker, right? But I see where we're going with these headsets. Casey Neistat said it best. This is probably going to be the worst Vision Pro you're going to have. This is probably going to be the bulkiest. This is probably going to be the clunkiest, right? Heaviest. Because we're going to see where the future is going with this product. So for me, I'm excited about it because I'm able to see where Apple is going with this. I'm able to see the process. I'm able to enjoy the process as it is happening, get all the benefits. That's why I like Gen 1. Because as you guys are waiting, I'm actually rocking with it and things like that. And the people who bought it are actually rocking with it and can give feedback. Nah, I ain't with it. Majority of people who are standing in the sideline like, see, it doesn't do this, it doesn't do that, it doesn't do this, but it does a lot of great things well. So I'm going to stand on those. But that's just my personal opinion. It ain't the greatest. It ain't the best product that Apple has made. Absolutely not. But it is damn good. It's actually really impressive. And I appreciate it. But it's not for everybody. So are you going to get one? Let me know. Put it in the comments. And I'm excited. to continue this conversation. I'm gonna keep showing different parts of the Vision Pro. The more that I find, the more that I'm going to show you, the more that I'm going to put on this channel. So please hit that subscribe right now, like it, so other people can get this honest review, because I'm not here to say it's amazing, 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 because it's not, but it's damn good. And I'm enjoying it.